Hello everyone, my name is Pranali Barge and today I'm going to present my mini project titled Imagify Text to Image Conversion. This project has been completed under the guidance of Professor Pranoti Kale ma'am from the Department of Computer Engineering at Bharati Vidyapit College of Engineering for Women Pune during academic year 2025-26. The aim of my project is to show how artificial intelligence can transform text into meaningful and creative images, demonstrating how machines can replicate human imagination and creativity. So let's begin our journey into the world of Imagify. Key principles of Imagify. First, text to image generation. It converts any text input into realistic images. Second, machine learning model. It uses advanced AI model trained on large image database for accurate and creative results. Third, natural language processing help the system understand what the user means and capture context and emotion from the text. Fourth, computer vision ensures high quality, realistic and visually balanced image generation. Fifth, user friendly design. The entire system is built to simple, interactive and accessible for everyone. So, Imagify combines AI, creativity, and simplicity to help anyone bring their ideas to life. Now, let's look at the benefits of Imagify. One of the biggest benefit is that it saves time. Anyone can type an idea and get a visual image instantly. There is no need to draw and search for image manually. It is also cost effective, which means we don't need to depend on professional designers for every small project. Another benefit is that it's fast and efficient. It can produce high quality realistic image in just a few seconds. Finally, it's versatile, means it can be used in many different areas like education, marketing, design and entertainment. So Imagify not only make work easier but also encourages people to think creatively. Diverse applications of Imagify across the industry. First, in graphics design, second, in content creation, third, in transforming education, fourth, in business and marketing impact, fifth, in entertainment and storytelling, and there are so many applications of Imagify across the industry. Moving on the technologies used in building Imagify, the front end of project is built using React.js and Tailwind CSS to create clean and responsive user interface. The backend is created using Node.js and Express.js, which handle all the communication between the front end and the AI model. For the AI part, I used OpenAI APIs that can convert text prompt into realistic image. I also used libraries such as Axios for sending data to the backend, .env for configuration, and for handling inputs. Together, these technologies make Imagify run smoothly for taking text input, processing it with AI, and showing the final image on the screen. Now, after setting up the technologies, let's understand how Imagify actually works. When the user opens the interface, they can see the generate image button. After clicking on that button, they see the simple input box and a generate button. For example, I type a text, car is flying in sky, or cat is flying in sky with butterflies. On clicking generate, the system reads my text, process it through the backend, and generate an output which could be an image file. This was my aim. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe.